Hello, everyone. Welcome to Gaeilgeoir AI. Today, we're exploring the meaning of the Irish phrase "slán foal," which translates to goodbye for now. Have you ever wanted to say goodbye in a way that feels warm and hopeful? Let's uncover this phrase that captures that sentiment perfectly. Now, let's practice the pronunciation together. Repeat after me: slán go fall. Slán go fall. Slán go fall.
Craving more Irish greetings? Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and for a real boost to your learning journey, visit gaeilgeoir.ai, your AI-powered Irish language companion.